feels so right. It's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart. Doesn't matter how far.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this delicious peanut butter soup. So here are our ingredients. We've got chopped onions, garlic, ginger, scotch bonnet, we've got some cloves, and we've also got some onions, chicken stock. We've got the most important, peanut butter, tomato paste, and we've got some plum tomatoes, chicken seasoning, and of course some aromat. So yeah, here's our chicken washed and clean. So first thing is first, we're gonna blend our vegetables with the cloves. So I'm gonna start with seasoning my chicken. So I'm putting in my chopped onions, and I'm gonna put in some salt and some aromat. I'm also going to be putting the chicken stock. I'm only going to be using 1 cube. And then I'm going to put a bit of the chicken seasoning on there. This is optional, guys. And now I'm going to put in my blended pepper mix into the chicken, and then just rinse the blender with a bit of water and then pour it on there. Give it a good mix, and I'm going to allow that to steam for about 15 minutes. So whilst my chicken is steaming, I'm going to prepare my peanut butter. So in here I've put some peanut butter with water in the blender, and I'm going to blend it and then pour it into my saucepan, and I'm going to be cooking that for about 10-15 minutes, just so that the peanut is nicely cooked. So when I put it in the soup, it doesn't take too long for the soup to cook. People make peanut butter soup differently, but this is the method that I learned and it really works with me. So here my chicken has been steaming for 15 minutes. As you can see, that all the flavor has entered into the chicken. Guys, look how juicy the chicken looks. Anyway, so I'm gonna put my tomato puree in there. I think I put about 2 tablespoons, but I don't measure my ingredients. I just literally eyeball everything. So whatever that is best for you, you work with that, okay? So yeah, so now that I've put the tomato puree, I'm gonna give that a quick stir. I'm gonna now head over to check on my peanut butter. I don't want it to burn. It easily gets burned. As you can see, like the bottom of the pot is getting a bit brown, so you have to keep an eye on it, because once it gets burned, the peanut will be bitter and your soup will be bitter, so you don't want that. So I'm happy with the consistency now, and I think, yeah, my peanut butter is ready to go into my soup. So yeah, I'm gonna transfer that into the soup. As I said before, guys, everybody makes their peanut butter soup differently. Some people blend the peanut with the tomatoes. Some people put the peanut butter directly into the soup. Some people cook the peanut butter just like I did. So, you know, it all turns out great, I guess, but this is the method that works with me. So in case you do your peanut butter soup differently, please don't tell me I'm doing mine wrong, because this is what I learned and it works with me and it tastes absolutely delicious. So anyways, as after I put in my peanut butter into the soup, I'm gonna put my blended tomatoes in the soup, and what I'm gonna do is fill up the blender with about 3 cups of water, and then I'm gonna pour that back into the soup. And guys, literally, this is our soup done. All the hard work is done. So now the next thing to do is to allow your soup to cook. So at this time, you probably need to leave your soup on the cooker for about 25 to 30 minutes, just to make sure that the soup is well cooked and there's oil at the top of your soup, just like so. So as you can see, there's oil at the top of my soup. I'm still going to leave it on to cook for about 10 more minutes, just so that those little fluffs at the top, the bubbles at the top, can all disappear and turn into oil. So whilst I'm leaving my soup to cook, I'm gonna go ahead and make my rice fufu. So rice fufu, Ghanaians call it mutuo. So basically it's just mushed up rice. You just cook your rice really soft, and then you just mush it and then shape it into like a fufu form, and you can eat it with peanut butter soup or any other soup that you prefer. So yeah guys, our soup is ready. I'm gonna dish the soup out with my mutuo. This soup tasted delicious. It tasted so good. If you guys follow this method, your soup is gonna be so delicious. So yeah guys, that's the end of the video. You can eat this soup with fufu, you can eat it with benkun, you can eat it with plain boiled rice, or you can have it with mutuo, just like I am doing. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I love you all for joining the family. Thank you once again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Bye.
Bye.